Hey, this is day 5 of our Python tutorials. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most useful data structures in Python, lists. A list is used to store multiple items in a single variable. Instead of creating separate variables for every value, you can keep everything together in one place. For example, fruits equals apple, banana, mango. Here, apple, banana, and mango are all stored inside one list. Lists are created using square brackets, and each item is separated by a comma. One great thing about lists is that they are ordered. This means every item has a position called an index. Python starts counting from 0, not 1. So in this list, apple is at index 0, banana is at index 1, and mango is at index 2. To access an item, use its index. For example, print fruits 0. This prints apple. Lists are also mutable, which means you can change them after creating them. To add a new item, use the append method, for example, fruits.append. Orange is added to the end of the list. To remove an item, use the remove method, for example, fruits.remove banana. Banana is removed from the list. You can also update an existing item. For example, fruits index 1 equals grapes. Now the second item becomes grapes. Lists can even store different data types. For example, data equals John 20, true 85.5. Although Python allows this, it's usually better to store similar types of data together to keep your code clean and easy to understand. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we'll explore more Python concepts step by step. Follow us to stay tuned for more easy Python tutorials.